Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Crypto is full of opportunities, but it's also full of traps. Scammers are getting smarter, and every day people lose thousands, sometimes millions, by falling for rug pulls, Ponzi schemes, fake airdrops, and phishing scams. If you're new here, make sure to smash that subscribe button because today we're diving into one of the most important topics in crypto: how to spot scams before it's too late. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to identify crypto scams before you get wrecked. Watch this video till the end because I'll be giving you a step-by-step checklist to protect your money. Let's get started. Scam number 1. Rug pulls and honeypots. This is when developers create a project, build hype, attract investors, and then disappear.
And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Taking all the money with them. Red flags to watch for. Anonymous or fake team. If the project founders aren't doxed, that's a major red flag. Legitimate projects have transparent teams with LinkedIn profiles, past experience, and social media presence. No real product. If a project is promising the next biggest innovation in crypto but has no working product or utility, be cautious. Crazy high APY. If they're offering 1000% GA1 staking rewards, it's likely unsustainable and designed to suck in greedy investors before crashing. How to check? Use Token Sniffer to analyze contracts. Check Defilama for liquidity tracking. Look at team credibility on LinkedIn and Twitter. Scam number 2. Ponzi and pyramid schemes. Ponzi schemes in crypto are everywhere. These projects promise insane returns by paying old investors with money from new ones until the whole thing collapses. How to spot a Ponzi scheme? Guaranteed profits. If a project says invest $100 and get $500 in a month, it's a scam. Nothing in crypto is guaranteed. No real revenue stream. If the only way money comes in is from new investors, it's a ticking time bomb. Pressure to recruit others. If you need to bring in people to make money, it's not an investment, it's a scam. Example: one of the biggest Ponzi schemes in crypto history was BitConnect, which collapsed after scamming investors out of $2 billion. Scam number 3. Fake airdrops and giveaways. You've probably seen those posts. Send 1/10 of an Ethereum to this address and get 1 Ethereum back. It's a scam. How to avoid fake airdrops? Never send money to claim an airdrop. Legit airdrops are free. Always check official sources like the project's website, X, Twitter, and Discord. Avoid connecting your wallet to unknown sites. Use Scam Sniffer to verify sites before connecting. Safe airdrop websites. Airdrops.io and CoinMarketCap airdrop section. Scam number 4. Phishing attacks and fake wallets. One of the sneakiest scams is phishing. Scammers trick you into giving them access to your wallet by using fake websites, emails, or even fake MetaMask extensions. How to stay safe? Always double-check URLs. Scammers make fake sites that look exactly like Uniswap, MetaMask, or Binance. The only difference? A tiny letter in the URL. Use a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor. This protects you even if you accidentally connect to a fake site. Never share your private keys or seed phrase, not even with support agents. Scam number 5. Celebrity and influencer pump and dumps. Scammers love to use big names to trick people. Whether it's fake Elon Musk crypto giveaways or influencers shilling worthless tokens, the goal is the same: hype up a coin so they can dump it on you. Red flags. Sudden hype from influencers. If a random celebrity is promoting a new coin, be skeptical. Massive price spikes with no real reason. Pump and dumps usually last a few hours before crashing. No real fundamentals. If you ask what does this coin do and no one can answer, run. Example: Floyd Mayweather and Kim Kardashian were sued for promoting Ethereum Max, a worthless token that scammed investors. Alright, that wraps up 5 of the biggest crypto scams and how to avoid them. Have you ever come across a crypto scam? Share your experience in the comments so others can learn from it. And if this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more valuable crypto content. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.